Meet Jack. Jack has always wanted to own a home, but with the high cost of living and affording an expensive 3.5 to 20% down payment, how can he ever do it? It seems like an impossible dream for Jack. Why not just rent? All my friends are doing it. I mean, don't I have more freedom with renting? In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 of the most valuable reasons for owning a home. Even in 2023, with the interest rates skyrocketing through the roof. Psst, interest rates don't last. Hey y'all, my name is Nick. I'm here in Nashville. I am a licensed real estate agent, father, investor, house flipper, and I'm here to help you learn everything about our awesome city of Nashville and real estate. If you need help, email me, text me, follow me on Instagram, do all the things. The first most valuable reason for owning a home is building equity. Now, Jack is tired of paying money for rent every month, and he decides to take the plunge into homeownership. He works with a mortgage broker. He gets pre-approved to find a home that fits his budget. The licensed realtor who he knew, maybe it was a referral, maybe it was a buddy of his, because we all know a million realtors, helped him find that home. And now, you know what he does on his weekends? He builds equity. As he starts to make his mortgage payments, he can't help but laugh at the thought of his landlord using his rent money to buy avocado toast and lattes. Jack is thrilled to see the value of his property go up over time. And he even finds himself checking Zillow every now and again like a proud parent, seeing how much his little baby boy is growing into a man. As he builds equity, he's able to borrow against that equity. Man, and what do you suppose Jack does with that borrowed equity? Well, he buys a Tesla, of course. Just kidding. He goes out and he buys another rental property. And now he's building real wealth. The second most valuable reason for homeownership is financial stability. Jack's friends are constantly moving because rent is always going up. But Jack has provided a safe space for him and his family to grow. He has stability. He no longer has to worry about rent increases, moving out on short notice. And this frees him up for more important things like binge watching his favorite show on Netflix and I don't know, whatever you want to do is fine. Plus, he knows that a home not only is giving him stability, but it's building him long-term wealth. Remember point number 1, equity? I'm repeating myself. And then he's reminded again that his asset is appreciating over time. He even gives it a nickname, Money Tree. The third most valuable reason to own a home, freedom to make a change. Now, Jack has always wanted to install a hot tub in his backyard, but as a renter, he has no freaking rights to that property at all. As a homeowner, he's about to make his dream a reality. He also can paint the walls any color he wants, change any of the fixtures and appliances, and he can't wait to show off his homes to his friends during the next dinner party he has with the charcuterie boards and their champagnes and their craft beers and their old-fashioned margaritas, whatever, because he's feeling pretty dang good about himself. Which leads to the fourth most valuable reason, seashells on the seashore, which leads to the fourth most valuable reason for owning a home, sense of accomplishment and pride. Jack takes a great deal of pride in owning a home and maintaining it. You know, his Saturdays are filled with lawn mowing, yard duty, cleaning gutters, and any other task that his wife tells him to do. Maybe he's single and he wants to build a sick bachelor pad with a sweet backyard patio. He can do that and improve his home. You know why? Because every time he makes improvement, he just adds to the value of the home. Building the what? Say it with me. Equity. He used to think it would be a pain in the butt to own a home because it's like you gotta fix stuff and you gotta do stuff. But he pleasantly finds that as he gets older, he learns a lot of new skills. And one of the most crucial things a man can do to feel good about himself is learn new things. Because now he can take these things and pass it on to his son or his daughter, whatever. Now he's living in his purpose and he's learning things and he's being a man. The fifth most valuable reason for owning a home is the potential tax benefits. Jack is very surprised to learn that his first year, he can claim some of his mortgage and the interest of his mortgage as a tax benefit and a deduction, which means his taxable income just went down, saving money on taxes, keeping more of that money you made. You can't have it, Uncle Sam. He contacts a financial advisor and he learns that he can save a ton of money itemizing his deductions. He can even include property tax. Oh yeah, and remember how he HELOC'd the first home and bought the rental property? That comes with a whole host of tax benefits that save Jack tons of money. Jack can't believe that the government is rewarding him for being such a responsible homeowner. Be like Jack.
Well, hey guys, it's me, Jack. If you like that video, click this one. It's even better.